Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly demystify my most current fruit obsession, the Cape gooseberry. Now you might have seen these in the stores, especially recently. They look kind of like tomatillos, but you don't really need to cook these at all, although you can actually eat them raw. They are not related to a goose, although technically they do have a cape. If you open them up, so around them you see what is called a calyx. And if you open up the calyx, you see the berry. And then if you open up the berry, you see a whole bunch of little seeds inside. And there's about 100 to 300 of these little puppies. The inside kind of tastes sweet and tart at the same time. It has the kind of same acidity that a tomato does, but that's about as close as association, because even though it comes from the same nightshade family as a tomato, the eggplant, and a potato, it is definitely more closely related to the tomatillo. It tastes really great in jams and baked goods and meat, but I also really love working them into cocktails, especially with tequila and gin. This was initially cultivated by the Incan Empire, especially in Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru. And then in the 18th century, the English got their hands on it. And then it eventually made its way all the way down to South Africa by the early 19th century, where it eventually got its name of the Cape gooseberry, hence from where the Cape of Hope is or was. So that is this delectable little fruit. Make sure to give it a try. And like I said, nothing else. Throwing in a cocktail never hurts. Good times.